Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to verify identity on TikTok UK account. Verifying your identity on TikTok UK account is a quick and guided process within the app. Start by opening TikTok and tapping your profile icon in the bottom right corner, then open the menu in the top right, select Settings and Privacy. From there, navigate to the Account section and look for Identify Verification or Account Verification, which may also appear under Account Information. If you're applying for features such as the Creator Fund, Creator Program, or TikTok Shop, TikTok will prompt you to verify in the same area. Follow the on screen instructions to submit the required documents and complete each step. Once submitted, TikTok will review your information, with approval typically taking anywhere from a few minutes to a few business days, and you receive a notification once your account is successfully verified. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.